Okay, this is the 1970 Aqua Sport, 21 feet. Where it making that job is make a new transom. The customer is ready taking the engine out. What I do, I'm taking all the rigging system out, and I mark it where I want to call right there, and call the flop, and call all the transom, and remove all these completed, the light well, all this component right there is coming out from remove all the raw piece and the transom. Adiós. Where you can see I already had the transom cut out, cleaning. I grinded all the piece, and basically now what I want to do, I want to make a template in the back side to the transom, but can duplicate the piece that I removed. And the way they make it, the template, I buy the carbon piece, and you need the glue gun, and basically what you do, you put it the whole piece complete in the size right there, and the whole plate to the transom, one piece in the top, one piece in the up. Basically you glue, when he dry it, you take it out, and you can see right there, they are ready made, and that way you have it the same specific diameter that you have in the transom. You put it over the piece that you want it, the cushion that you want it core, and you mark it when you make it the core is be perfect because it's the same size, the same template that you make over there in the transom. I mark it right now and core, and you see the process later on. Ahora sí. I already make the piece for the transom. What I do right now, I want to laminate to a skin coat 3 ounce. I want to put a skin coat 3 ounce between the bowl and the piece to the transom, the exclusion. And what I do is, after that laminate, I put a resin for 4 resin 406 and bonding in the bottom, and put the piece to the transom and screw and put a pressure to the other side and wait 24 hours. When he dry it, and remove the bowl and start to laminate the transom to the bowl. And apply resin with silicone 406 to bonding all the space between the transom, cushion transom, to the side to the bowl. And that way, when I finish laminate, everything be equal. Now I'm waiting 24 hours and started the lamination process.
Be careful with your eyes here, man. Okay. This is
And I started laminate with the skin coat 3 ounce, and I put a 5 piece 1708 and one finally piece 36 size in both sides, outside and inside the transom, for the both sides to be equal. Okay, I'm ready to finish the transom process and put a lot of lamination and started process the finish system. I put a 5 close to 1708 and couple 36 sizes, and ready laminate I'm building the deck. That side I remove. I use a crucible 1/2 inch and laminate for both sides. And what I do right now, I started making the drain for both sides and the bio drain, and control and make that canal that he deliver the water to the next, the wall that I'm installing that side for finish the gunnel. And this is be the access for the water separator, the electric system, and everything is connected to the bracket in the back. Is go to this side right there. I keep going and I'll let you know the next process when I finish. Already building the inside wall and the piece in the gunnel, and now I put a 5 close to 17 or 8 over for make it super strong, and I make a layout for the door and register for the bill. Well, this is the final part to the video. You can see they already have it, the drain. Everything is ready for painting and installing the bracket. The owner is take it out for send somebody painting and install the bracket and put a new engine. All right. I wish you the like of the video. See you like this project, subscribe to see more video.